In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a cycle up 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets for 8 times through back loops only. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. A regular stitch has 2 loops. The loop close to us is the front loop. The other one far from us is the back loop. We'll insert hooks through back loops only in this round to finish the following stitches. Now, work the first set. Work 2 single crochets through back loops only. Insert hook into the back loop of the first stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet through back loops only is done. Work 1 more single crochet. Next, for 1 increase, we need to work 2 single crochets through the back loops of the next stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. The second set, work 2 single crochets. Next, for 1 increase, we need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. The third set, work 2 single crochets. Next, for 1 increase, we need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. We have demonstrated 3 sets. Please finish the rest 5 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Eight sets are done. Finally, put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The hook should go through both loops of the marked stitch. Round 6 is done. The stitches for round 7 to 14 are the same. In round 7 to 14, move 1 chain stitch, 48 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. We'll demonstrate round 7. Put 1 chain stitch first. Then put 1 single crochet in each stitch. There will be 48 single crochets in total in this round. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish a total of 48 single crochets in this round. Twelve single crochets are done. Please finish the rest 36 single crochets by yourself. "48 single crochets are done. Finally, work one slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 7 is done. Please finish rounds 8 to 14 in the same way as round 7 by yourself. For one chain stitch, 48 single crochets and one slip stitch for each round. Round 14 is done. In round 15, start with one chain stitch, then work a cycle up 4 single crochets, 1 decrease for 8 times. Finally, end with one slip stitch. Work one chain stitch first. The first set, with 4 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work 3 more single crochets. Four single crochets are done. Next, work 1 decrease to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. A regular stitch has 2 loops. The loop close to us is the front loop. The loop far from us is the back loop. We'll make decreases to the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Insert hook to the front loops of the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn under the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on the hook. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 decrease is done.
Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn on the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease.
4 single crochets and 1 decrease are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. The second set with 4 single crochets. Four single crochets are done. Then with 1 decrease, insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn under the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on the hook. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the both loops on the hook. 1 decrease is done. The second set is done. The third set with 4 single crochets. Then with 1 decrease, insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn under the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on the hook. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 decrease is done. The third set is done. The fourth set with 4 single crochets. Then with 1 decrease, we have demonstrated 4 sets, Please finish the rest 4 sets by yourself, with 4 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. Eight sets are done. Finally, put 1 slip stitch into first stitch to join this round. Round 15 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Yarn tail over the hook and pull the yarn tail out. Tighten up. 1 flower part is completed. Let's install the eyes. We'll insert safety eyes between rounds 11 to 12 of the flower parts, spacing 2 eyes 7 stitches apart. Turn the fabric and put on safety back pieces. Two eyes are completed. Please crochet the other flower parts in the same way on your own with corresponding yarn.